Hey, it's Matt 5x5 taking a look at XRTX. This is one that we played on this little run up right here. Again, you guys hear me preaching about the 50-day. There you'll see XRTX been fighting this for a long time. If you look back 7 months ago, XRTX was at $23 a share. Now we're under 2. Again, we know I don't do much fundamentally, but I don't think that much has changed with this company in the last 7 months. But anyway, from a technical standpoint, RSI is crossing. You'll also notice this is a lower volume. Again, I think this is a lower float stock. I can't be positive without taking a quick look, but I want to say it's around a 20 million in the float. Okay. Very bottom support at 166. Let's try and get somewhat of a trend line in here. It's going to about parallel that 50-day. It's already a pretty nice little move if it can roll back up off this bottom and hit it and try and take on this 50-day. So we're going to see, we're starters, we want to see it hold this bottom. This is why I don't mind plays like this, because if I take a position here where it's already got a little small base starting, then if it fails and breaks this support, you can get right out, and then you start looking for maybe some kind of a channel right down through here and see it try and come back up and test the underneath side of that support. That's what you very commonly see. Taking a look at the MACD. See, it's basically right on, or just slightly breaking under, as you can see right there, right on its trend line. Might be breaking under it just a hair, but you see right here, it kind of rode right along it again, and before it made another crossover. Not extremely bearish at this point because it's riding right on top of it, but got to keep an eye on it because it is trying to cross. But we'll see. Full stow, bottom back out again. BPO, ADX came off quite a pinch. It went on for a while there. Looking for a cross, positive DI, negative DI cross coming. MFI is trying to bottom and turn back up. Accumulation distribution still trending down. Been holding this trend line for a long time, which isn't greatest. I really like to see a positive divergence with the accumulation distribution, which we're not getting. But the chart is really on radar because of this formation right here. Basically a double bottoms you look to try and keep. It doesn't have to be exactly at say 166, or even if you want to play the lower part of these candles as a support level around 180. You try and keep it within about 10% of each other to actually be considered a double bottom. But because it's close to this trend line, because it's got the support right there, the chart goes on watch. See if we can start to make a curl back up. I actually don't even have a problem taking an entry in a position in a chart like this, because if it fails, you're out pretty easily. Again, some people wait for the move, some people wait for it to break the trend line. The parabolic SAR hasn't even flipped yet, but if this thing starts to make a move, that PSAR will probably flip right away. Anyway, I just posted this chart as an on radar, and I wanted to explain why. This map 5x5. Stay green, everybody.